Good morning. Here's the Ericson 35 that we've been working on, and I thought I'd show you the finished work on the toe rail or rubrail, hull deck joint, whatever. This is all glassed over and faired in. Been working on it for the last couple weeks, and I'm calling this done for now till we get high build on it. Then we'll do some fine tuning. And also some fine tuning up here at the, wherever it is, at the top edge when we get up to deck level on the staging, which is going to happen soon. But we brought the tabbing all the way up to the stem, tapered into the hull right here. And we maintained this area here is proud still, which is a kind of a nice detail on this shear strike. And then up at the top edge, we also have a new little character line. This is where there's that molded line in the original toe rail. And the new tabbing comes right up to it. And now it's rounded over. Fine tune that as needed once I'm up a little higher. But it's pretty nice right now. Just thought I'd show one side here. All the way down. It's 2 layers of 1708. Faired over the top as needed. The underlayment was quite fair to begin with. I worked on that first, as you may have seen, and so the end result with the glass was quite fair to begin with. It's really just a matter of smoothing it out, cleaning it up. But this all worked out really nicely. Lots of area for the fiberglass to cover. Between here and here is about 6 inches. So the tabbing is covering that whole area. I didn't have to fair at the bottom here because of this nice lip. So it's just tapered here where my hand is down to that edge and tapered up. You know, the top, both layers are quote square at the top, even at the top edge. And then I just rounded that over with fairing compound and sanding to create a nice little lip. And that'll be painted later, obviously. I'm going to bring the paint down about, the white paint for the deck down about here, 2 inches, which is roughly where it would have ended at the original hull deck joint, which is right in this area. And then the black stripe underneath will come up to there. So that'll give this a nice finished look, even without the rub rail. And then down to the transom. In this area, I had to grind a little of the hull out because this area was flush. Didn't have this raised shear strike, so this is just faired down into the top sides as needed and up to this edge. So that's the finished result of the glassed over hull deck joint.